Hi, welcome to Java interview coding questions. Today, we'll try to write a Java program to find duplicate characters in the given string. Here, if you observe the input as welcome to Java, it contains E, O, and A are the duplicate characters because they are going to appear for more than one time. Like E is going to be appeared for more than one time, Y is going to appear for more than one time, like that A is going to appear for more than one time. So I can call them as duplicate characters. The similar kind of requirement we have seen earlier through the concept of traditional approach, right? So traditional approach means I am going to simply traverse over the entire string and I will try to find out the duplicate characters. Now in this particular video, we'll try to use the concept of streams, right? You know, streams are very much helpful in order to reduce the code, number of lines of code, right? So I will try to convert the given string into streams. So for that, arrays dot stream of str dot split, right? Guys, you know why I'm writing like this, right? Split method is going to return an array of strings, right? That's why arrays dot string, arrays of strings, array of strings I am going to convert into a stream, right? Dot I am trying to filter, guys. I am trying to filter, so which is going to take the predicate as parameter, right? So I am taking the d as a parameter. This d I would like to add into the set. For example, let me take a set which is having string as a data type, which I am calling it as result equal to new hash set of strings, right? So now what I will do now, I will try to perform adding the data. Result dot add of d, result dot add of d, right? If it is going to be added, it is going to return the true. If it is going to be not added, it is going to return the value as false, right? So what is the requirement you need? You need to identify all the duplicate characters, all duplicate characters, right? So when they are not added, so that's why I'm going to use not equal exclamation, right? So not data dot add dot collect of collectors dot to list, right? So the result I am going to store again in the form of strings, list of string data. I'm going to import it, and finally I am going to print my result. This is out of data. If I run this program, you will get EO space and E, right? Here the duplicate characters are EO and A. Space you got, it is because of space is also occurred for more than one time, so it considered as a duplicate. Okay, fine. This way you can able to write the program. Hope you understood clearly.